Question 4 on page 3 says, state the degree of the polynomial. This is taken from chapter 5 on adding and subtracting rational or polynomials. Really, when we look at this question, this is a trinomial, and to be honest, the question is probably the biggest piece of trivia that we use in grade 9 because it doesn't apply to anything we learn. We don't do anything with it. We just state the degree and move on with other things that we actually have to kind of manipulate a little bit more. This is just a piece of trivia. So we have a trinomial here, term 1, oopsie daisy, term 1, term 2, and term 3. So in a trinomial, we have 3 terms. And how we state the degree of a polynomial is we look at each term individually and we measure its degree. This one has 10 as a coefficient and x, y, z. There are 3 variables. Each of these variables has actually a 1 that's unwritten because there's just one x. It's an 1x times 1y times 1z. So really this term, to get its degree, we add up the exponents of the variable. So 1 and 1 and 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1. The degree of that one term is 3. If you look at the second term, we only have one variable, and its exponent is 2. So that's an easy one. Its degree is 2. And for the third one, it's a constant term. There is no variable, therefore there is no exponent, so it does not have a degree. Okay? There is no degree of that term. So if we look at those 3 terms individually, we have a degree of 3, a degree of 2, and a degree of 0. And when stating the degree of the entire trinomial, and that's what the question was asking you, state the degree of the polynomial, the degree is 3. Degree of 3. We simply look at the term that has the highest degree, and the whole trinomial becomes that. A common mistake would for people to say the degree is 5 because they add up the degrees of them. That would be wrong. Or some people say the degree is 20 because they think that that's a special number because it doesn't have a variable. Those are all wrong answers. The actual answer for this one is the degree of 3.